Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I am fine, thank you. Also, happy new year. Oh Lord, finally I'm here to talk about why and how I use my apple cider vinegar. Yes, this video is long overdue, but before I get into it, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, like, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you think and share the video. You know what, don't be stingy, share the video. All right, so let's quickly get into the apple cider vinegar business. Now let me talk quickly about where you can get them to purchase your apple cider vinegar. You can visit your local drugstore nearby you, or a supermarket, or even the central market. Yeah, but mostly I buy mine from the drugstore nearby. Yes, this is my first apple cider vinegar bottle, and I bought it for 77 Ghana cedis. It's so expensive, but here in Accra things are quite expensive, and I'm surprised because they come from Accra. They first get into Accra and then get to other regions, but here it's so expensive. This is the first bottle I bought, and for 77 cedis. The prices varies, and just like a week ago I bought this other bottle for 60 Ghana cedis. I don't know why. I just love apple cider vinegar, so I keep buying them. Yeah, but here in Sunyani or in Kumasi, it's for 50, 55, 60. That's the range it's comes with. So quickly, the brand I use all the time is from Bragg. Bragg is the brand I use. This is the only brand I know. I know some of you have purchased apple cider vinegar from other places, which is not from Bragg, but Bragg is what I have been using. So this is what I'm talking about. It's not sponsored. I just love this brand. So when you go to buy your apple cider vinegar, 3 things you have to check. First of all, your apple cider vinegar should be organic. Number 2, your apple cider vinegar should be raw and unfiltered. And the very last thing is, it should always come with the mother. Very important. The mother is that gross brownish strand that floats in your apple cider vinegar. Just look at that. That is the mother. It's very important that the mother always comes with your apple cider vinegar. Some people ask me, should I buy the apple cider vinegar and buy the mother? No, it comes with it. It's that brownish strand that floats in your apple cider vinegar. It's very important. Now to use your apple cider vinegar, you will need a container. I am using a plastic container, but you can use a glass container. And a cotton wool, of course. Are you going to use your hand to rub your face? No. You need a cotton wool. I bought this cotton for 10 Ghana cedis. So you need your cotton and your container. So first of all, you pour an amount into a glass bottle or a plastic bottle like mine. I poured up to this amount of apple cider vinegar, and I diluted it with water to this side. So you have to pour about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass cup. Dilute it with filtered or distilled water. You can even go ahead and boil your water for some time, let it sit down and cool down, and then dilute your apple cider vinegar with it, because you do not want to carry excess dirt onto your skin. Apple cider vinegar is one of nature's most effective remedies to heal most skin-related diseases like acne and whatnot. So it's very important that you dilute it very well with distilled or filtered water. When you're diluting your apple cider vinegar, it's very important to know whether you have sensitive skin or not. If you have sensitive skin, dilute it with a lot of water. So the ratio I would say, if you have poured 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, dilute it with ratio 1 part apple cider vinegar and 2 or 3 parts water. If it still burns your skin, dilute it with more and more water. Yeah. So let's get into it, how I use it. I take a cotton wool. This cotton is so annoying. I take my cotton like that. Take my apple cider vinegar, which is already diluted. I shake it first because I have the mother here. You see the mother in it here. I shake it first, open it. Mostly this is what I do. Ooh. Ooh. And gently or lightly take it to my skin and rub it onto my face like that. Let me tell you, when rubbing your face with an apple cider vinegar, just be careful. Rub your skin, or anytime you're rubbing something onto your skin or your face, rub it upwards, because you do not want your face to wrinkle before it's time, you know. So rub your face upwards like this, like that. I got this pimple last night because I'm about to, you know, menstruate and all of that. So yeah, so gently rub it on your face like that. Mind you, this video is not sponsored. Naturally, according to research, our face or our skin has some natural acidity, but because of harsh soaps and cleansers, our acidity or the skin acidity has been disrupted. So apple cider vinegar will just come and restore them for you, you know. It's that simple. Guys, trust me, it works. It works like magic. The only thing you have to do on your side is to be consistent. Since I've been using apple cider vinegar for about 7 months now, every morning and evening before I go to bed and after bathing in the morning, I use my apple cider vinegar. It's very important that once you finish using it on your face, let your skin dry, then you can go ahead and apply any lotion, or don't wash it off. Apply any lotion, any cream you have on the face or on the apple cider vinegar. Yeah, it works. You just have to be consistent. Let me know how it works for you. So come back and comment down below. Let me know what you think about apple cider vinegar. You can drink it to detox. You can wash your vegetables with it. You can take care of your stretch marks with apple cider vinegar. You can remove dandruff from your... I mean, it does so many wonders. It works. You just have to be consistent with it. If you are tired of trying any other remedy to get rid of pimples, apple cider vinegar might just be what your skin has been waiting for. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. We have to grow as a channel. So we'll meet same time next week. It's bye-bye. Be safe out there.